Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can insert a video inside of like a text effect on CapCut PC. So add in your black background from the library and select text, and I'm going to add in this text effect. Actually, you can use just like the ones with the white kind of inside part, like this one, and then you can also use this one, this one, and this one. Just make sure the text is in a white color first. Oh, so go to text effects here, by the way. So I'm going to choose this one, and then I'm also going to go back to basic, and I'm going to change the font of it as well. Let's see which one do I want. I'm just going to choose this one, and I'm just going to type in beautiful, just the font size a little bit, and then I'm going to add in like a video. I'm just going to choose this one, and I'm going to adjust the text and the background as well so it fits the whole video, and I'm going to put this video on top. Select both, right click, create compound clip, and then on the second video go to blend mode and choose darken, and as you can see it creates this beautiful text effect on CapCut PC. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!